Welcome to our channel. So guys, today we are going to be doing chopstick challenge. Okay, we're going to be using this chopstick to demolish this pasta. Okay, pasta spaghetti with this egg. So we have 2 eggs here. We have our drink, but this drink we're going to dilute it with this water. Okay, I'm going to dilute it with water. So let's get started. Prayer. Jesus. Amen. So this is our water. We need your water.
This is mine.
Then open the drink.
We need to open it now.
Hi, village woman. Don't mind me, guys. Okay, so we'll pour it here. We're going to use the water to dilute it. Okay, so this is what is looking like now. Okay, we use water, half glass of this water, to dilute this drink. So guys, this challenge, we have option. This is the chopstick we are meant to use to eat this pasta, but you have option. You can use this or this, but the moment you drop the chopstick and start using this, you lose the challenge. Okay, if the both of us are not able to finish this pasta with this chopstick, we both lose the challenge. If it's only one person that is not able to finish it, the person lose the challenge. If 2 people, we lose, the both of us lose the challenge. Okay, then we have to finish this pasta with this chopstick. Okay, so that is how the challenge goes. Oni, are you ready for this challenge? See my eye. Look. No, blind my eye. Don't blind me. I know this challenge will be difficult for me. I've never tried this before. Is it like this? Yeah.
We are not Chinese.
You see my eye, please. I know I won't be able to do this challenge. Me?
Guys, this is my first time, so let me try. Please don't laugh at me.
Like seriously? Like seriously, I can't do this challenge. See? Hey, what? See the way I'm struggling with this pasta. Hey. Yes. I see people do this challenge. I even thought it's the easiest. Honey, have you tried this chopstick challenge before?
No.
Eh?
Now?
So how come you guys? See the way I'm struggling with this thing, with this spaghetti. Hey. This one is difficult. Hey, this one, I can't even do anything. What is this?
This is Chinese pattern of eating.
Really? Kudos to Chinese people. What is this?
There's a way they do it, Chinese people.
Hmm?
There's a way they
There's the
handle
way
it.
they roll it, right?
Yeah. They're not used to it.
I need to win this challenge. I can't even. You can't even win this challenge. So. Oh
Really?
my goodness. Hmm? Guys, I disappointed myself today. What is this? Hmm? I'm so disappointed.
Stop looking at me.
Because I'm trying to see how you are handling the chopstick. Eh? Like this. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Are you laughing at me or what?
I'm reading. Give up.
Or what? Hmm? Never. I can't give up, guys. It's not over until it's over.
I saw a message to me. Look at. What is this? Are you pouring it there?
Pasta. And why are you disgracing me? Hmm? Eh? So now, what are you trying to say? I'm hiding some. I'm not hiding anything. Guys, I'm not hiding anything. It's the one that is falling out of this stick. You keep your hand well. Don't use your hand to cover me. Yeah.
An excuse. I just use an excuse. Give surrender.
No.
You see what this one they do it, they put fix it like this. Very fast.
Can you slow down now? Slow down, Joe. I can't believe you're winning this challenge, honestly.
So you have the mind that you win.
Yes. I can't believe it. But it's not still over.
What kind of magic do you want to perform now? What kind of magic do you want to perform? Perform the magic, let me see.
Guys, see the towel I'm even using to clean. This new towel, see. I messed up, eh? Even I cannot even roll this, see. Even to roll this is a problem for me. Can you see? It's a problem for me. Yeah? And it's not over. See this one's here.
It's done.
No, this one's here. It's not over.
What do you expect? Okay, you mean you win me?
Yes, I thought it's not over until it's over. Last minute miracle. You don't know? Hi. I'm so disappointed. I disappointed myself today. After all the bragging. See, we had to cut this because it was too long for us. We had to cut it. Yes. Good. Really? Huh. Guys, this one I failed woefully. You want to pick the last seat there? Eh?
I won. I won the game. I won the challenge.
Is it the new thing? After I've been winning you.
You are just giving an excuse.
Because you are the winner today.
You are jealous. Guys, she's jealous.
Of what?
Of me winning today. I've been winning you.
Really?
Yes.
How many times? How many times? Since it's the challenge, how many times have you won?
At least for the past 3 challenges, I've been winning you.
Okay.
3 consecutive times.
Really? Hi guys, I can't believe I lose this challenge.
So in your mind,
I can't believe I lose this challenge. Yes. But it's just little thing that is left. I was just struggling with this pasta. This spaghetti, I was struggling with it to eat it.
You know, everything about China is technique. So I use techniques to. It's not that I'm perfect, but I won't tell you the secret I did.
What is the secret?
I won't tell you.
Tell me now.
We still have more challenges ahead.
No problem. Alright guys. This brings us to the end of this video. Tell us what you think about this video in the comment section down below. I lose the challenge, guys. Please. I'm sorry.
I won. Yes, the truth. I'm saying the truth. I won the game. I won the challenge. So guys, thank you guys for being there for us. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, please click that red button, like this video and share this video.
From we to you. Bye bye. One love, guys. One love, guys. One love, guys. Bye bye.